Today, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce you to the brand new Lieber's Luggage Legacy line. These bags come to us as parts. This is not a functional suitcase in any way, shape, or form. So we pull this out of a box, we cobble it together right here in the Luggage Lab at Lieber's, and we end up with something that looks like this guy over here. So a couple key features. First off, we always kind of start on the outside of the bag. Let's take a look at that. I've got pretty fantastic wheels on this. All of our bags are going to be a 4-wheel spinner. We've designed this from the ground up. We're using a silent run wheel system here. These are very good wheels. I'm very impressed with these. Another thing, if you're familiar with our little reviews on the Luggage Lab, pull handles. The pull handle on this is very, very smooth. We used a very good one in here. We also did some interesting things reinforcing it on the inside of the bag, just making it a little bit more durable. The last thing that I will always cover are going to be my zippers. Let's take a look at the expansion on here. We're using a zippered expansion, very, very smooth zipper. We have a full 1.5 inches, 2 inches of expansion on here. Bear in mind, if it is expanded, it is no longer carry-on compliant, but what we want to do is we're going to put an elbow into it and run that zipper back around, and now it is going to be ready to go onto that airplane with you. Last couple things to note on the outside of the bag. I'm going to have a little monogramming patch for that extra little level of luxury on the bag. On the top, I have a TSA-approved lock. Let's go ahead and open this bag up and see what we have. Again, zippers, very, very smooth on here. I'm very impressed. Okay, so on the inside of the bag, looks like I have some packing cubes. Let's pop this guy open. And our packing cubes are actually labeled. This is a pant packing cube. This is a shirt packing cube. And I think I have a couple more over on this side. Yep. I have an underwear packing cube, and I have a sock packing cube. Now, if you buy the carry-on, medium, and large size, you're going to get all 4 of those bags as a kind of add-on or whatnot. Those come included with a full set. If you just want to buy them independently, we're charging $50 on them. Let's take a look at the actual bag here. So first thing I notice is that the material actually drops down inside the bag. The material here is a nice heavy material. That means that it's going to kind of sit in there. It has a very nice feel to it, a little bit more of that luxury for you. I think that that's a really nice feature. We have a divider right in here to help keep our packing cubes in place. Moving over to the other side, let's take a look and see what all we've got. The only rivets on this bag are right here on our little nameplate. Everything else in this bag is screwed in place. We do that for repairability. Right here, I've got a tracker pocket, so you can take your favorite little tracker, pop that guy right in here, and now if my bag gets lost, I have a much better chance of tracking it down, pardoning the double entendre. Opening this up, I've got our warranty card. This is actually kind of important. I'm going to read this to you, or read a little bit of it to you. The Lieber's Luggage No Holds Barred Warranty. We believe in the quality and durability of our luggage. That's why we offer a 5-year no holds barred warranty. Remember when I mentioned that everything on this bag is screwed in place? That is because everything on this bag is repairable. If you're on vacation, you're in Miami, and you manage to wheel gets broken off by the airlines or something like that, I can send you a new wheel. You can screw it in place, easy as can be. If you're here in Albuquerque, you can simply bring the bag in, or if you're outside of Albuquerque, you can ship the bag to us, and we will repair the bag here at the Luggage Lab. Our phone number is on that little warranty card, so it's something you might want to keep with the bag. We open this up a little further, and right in here, I have a battery pack, or a battery pocket rather, so I can take my USB cable, plug it in right near that the TSA lock, and now I can charge my phone right off of my bag if I just have a battery that I put in there. So kind of a slick little feature. So in summary on this bag, we are assembled right here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We have direct-to-you pricing. We have premium quality. Come on over to Liebers.com where you can carry on the legacy. Thank you.